comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Today I'm unboxing fishing lures ordered from Wild Hunter. The baits I've ordered are for pike and include a range of soft lures, crankbaits and trolling lures. I also bought 2 planer boards to get my baits further from the boat with the hopes of catching pike hanging out on the weed line. As you can see, I bought lures from brands such as Savage Gear, Westin, I bought a Mirror's Mouse and Abu Garcia. In this video I'll include a price breakdown per lure and a subtotal at the end. These are the planer boards that I had mentioned. They are Ghost Supra V2s from Ghost Tackle. This lure I bought from Westin called the Crazy Daisy. I actually bought for a fishing trip to Norway, which will be featured in future videos. I also got 2 pike float kits for dead baiting when the pike aren't taken on lures.
I'm in danger!